Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to rotate Wi-Fi address on iPhone in iOS 18. Let's go. The new versions of iOS and macOS will let you rotate your Wi-Fi address to help reduce tracking. It allows users to bypass geo-restrictions and access region-locked content. Additionally, rotating IP addresses enhances security by masking the user's true IP, making it difficult for websites to track and block their activities. First of all, open up the Settings app. Tap Wi-Fi. After that, tap on the eye icon next to the Wi-Fi network that you are currently connected to. Now you'll see the Rotate Wi-Fi Address option. Since I'm on iOS 17, so this feature is not available in my phone. A rotating Wi-Fi address helps reduce tracking. By changing your Wi-Fi address at various times, tracking can happen. When your address always appears the same to other devices and people using the same network as you, to rotate your Wi-Fi address on your iPhone, simply toggle this switch. Rotating your Wi-Fi address can help protect your privacy and security while using the internet. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.